Good morning guys, welcome back to Detailing on the Beast. Detailing one today. How to clean your tyres. Riveting, I know. Now, a little bit of a story behind this. I always get people like, I'm not a detailing professional as such. I am a very, very keen amateur. However, I do see or I do give a lot of advice to people who are very much weekend warriors. I don't like that term, but very much weekend warriors, just so we're all on the same page. And they always say, you clean your tyres? Really? They look at you like you're absolutely barking mad. And I'm like, yeah, well, of course I do. And I look at them like they're mad. And we have this weird, mad standoff. And they always come back with, why? Why'd you clean your tyres? I said, well, you like keeping your car clean. Why did you put a tyre dressing on your tyres? And yeah, of course I do. I said, well, how long does it last? I said, well, I know, a few days. I said, well, that's why I clean my tyres. So the idea being, guys, yes, I have got a specific brush for cleaning tyres. So I'll go through this later, but I'll put a link in the description below to this as well. Very hard bristle brush, perfect for the rubber. But we're basically going to be scrubbing the tyre wall to remove as much dirt and grime and road film as possible, just as you would on the bodywork. Yes, it's a bit more aggressive, but we're going to be removing all of that crap off that tyre wall so the dressing has something rubber, not dirt, to stick to, okay? So if you're putting tyre dressing on after you've done a quick clean of your wheels, it's all well and good, thank you for cleaning your wheels, but you haven't cleaned the tyres, or you haven't done a good job of cleaning the tyres, your tyre dressing is just going to wash off. As soon as the rain hits it, you're going to get sling, it's just going to come off, it's going to look nice for about 10 minutes, okay? Yeah, you might get it sticking for a couple of days, but it will literally fall off. By doing this, the tyre dressings have something to bond with correctly, and they are going to last a hell of a lot longer. Now, you're probably going to get, it depends which tyre dressing you use, but something like Maguire's Endurance, which I am going to show you today, that I find gives at least 2 to 3 weeks coverage, easily, even in winter months, okay? In summer months, it's probably longer. So yeah, what I'm going to show you to do today is, one, how to clean and how to degrease the tyres properly. I've got a nice little money-saving tip coming up as well, using a product called elbow grease that can be found in Poundland or somewhere like that. It is absolutely amazing at removing the crap off tyres, okay? Absolutely amazing. Don't go out and waste your money on a dedicated detailing product. Yeah, okay, you can use APC if you've got it, but why waste it? I mean, this stuff, it's £1 a bottle. I think it's 2 seconds. This stuff. So it's £1 a bottle. It's 500 mils, and it's classed as an all-purpose degreaser. It's basically a household degreaser. It's solvent-free. It can do all sorts of jobs in your house. You will probably find, I'm being a bit sexist here, but you'll probably find your missus knows about this already. No doubt about it, if not your mum, okay? This stuff's been around a long, long time. And I've mentioned it to a few family members, and the female ones already know what this is for using it around the house, and they think it's a really good product. Now, I'm only using it to degrease, so to do tyres, little bits in the engine bay. I wouldn't use it on paintwork, but it's fantastic to get hold of and use for this job, and it's cheap. So you need that, you need a brush, and you need a pair of gloves because it's filthy dirty. So without further ado, let's get into the process of cleaning them tyres. So this is the state of the tyres. Not great by any means, and certainly in need of a damn good scrubbing. First thing we're going to do then is to jet wash down that tyre, and then we'll go at it with the brush and the elbow grease. So now we're going to liberally apply the elbow grease all the way around and scrub it in with this brush. Nice, tough bristle brush. It should be able to get into all these little nooks and crannies. and you're left with something like this. So there's quite a lot of grime on that tyre. So what we're going to do now is give it a quick jet wash, just to remove all that excess. And then perhaps we will assess and maybe even apply that elbow grease again. But we'll see how that goes. And now we'll just wait for that to dry naturally. We'll then assess the rubber. It'll be ready for dressing. So at this point it's probably a good idea to wash your wheels as well. No good applying that dressing and then having to wash your wheels afterwards. So now the tyre is sufficiently clean, we can move on to dressing. Now this I'll cover in more depth next time, but we're going to do a comparison today between two Meguiar's products. The Ultimate Tyre Shine Tyre Coating, which I believe is the newest one out, and the ever trusty Endurance tyre gel. I'm going to put the Tyre Shine on this one at the back here, and then we're going to put the Endurance on that one at the front. Just up in the test we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Tyre Shine Tyre Coating. This is the ultimate wet look apparently. It's a spray on application, so we're just going to shake the can. Holding the nozzle approximately 4 to 6 inches away from the tyre. Give it a nice, even coverage. And apparently, that is it. So I've repeated the elbow grease degreasing process on the front tyres, and on this we're going to apply trusty old Endurance tyre gel. So what we're going to do is pour some onto the applicator, wipe that into them tyres. Okay, so we've been out, we've scrubbed all 4 corners, we've done the tyres a good old clean. We've now dressed 2 of them in the Meguiar's Endurance tyre gel. That's my trusty old favourite, been using that for a long time. And then we've dressed the other 2 in the Meguiar's Ultimate Tyre Shine Tyre Coating. This is the spray application can. I bought this because it looked absolutely fantastic on the Meguiar's promo video, and I just wanted to see how it compares to this. So we'll go through that next time. We're going to go through all the pricing, we're going to go through how it looks initially, the application of it, how easy it is, how quick it is. We'll go through how it looks after a week, after 2 weeks, whether it's susceptible to washing off, whether it's susceptible to sling. So that'll be next time. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate your time in watching these videos. Hope they're of use. If they are, hit that like button, share the hell out of it as usual, and all importantly, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.